The first principle of surveying is working from whole to part. If I offer you a full cake to eat, what will you do? You will eat, I know it very well, but you will cut it into several pieces and taste it. This is what exactly the first principle of surveying says. If there is a need to survey a ground for perfect and correct values, you have to work from whole to part. Divide the whole area into several triangles by which the area of each individual triangles can be calculated and the total area of the ground can be found out by summing up all the individual triangles. This is what the first principle of surveying says, working from whole to part. For the first time when I met Mariappan, one of my best friend, he threw me several Viva questions like in university labs. After asking my name and laughing, first he asked me, "Where are you from?" I replied, "I am from the famous city Chinnasalem." Like how you respond now, he got confused and said, "Hell, where is that village from?" I said, "It is 97 kilometers from Salem and 258 kilometers from Chennai." So in order to locate my famous town, I need two reference points, the same way the second principle of surveying works. To locate the position of a point, we need two reference point measurements. Next, coming to the classifications of surveying, we have a wide variety of classifications which comes under two categories, primary and secondary classification. In primary classifications, we have only two types, plane surveying and geodetic surveying. You all know very well that Earth is in spheroidal shape, but according to plane surveying, Earth is a plane surface, that is a straight line. We don't take Earth's curvature in surveying. This is because plane surveying is carried out over a small area and the surface of Earth is considered as a plane surface. If you look at this triangle, all the sides are straight lines and therefore it is considered as plane triangle and the angles are plane angles. Any surveying which is done in area less than 250 kilometers should be considered as plane surveying. Geodetic surveying is exactly opposite to the plane surveying, where the curvature of Earth is taken into consideration. And the triangle formed by joining 3 points is considered as spheroidal triangle and the angle of this triangle is considered as spheroidal angle. It is applied in surveying which is done for more than 250 square kilometers. Next to primary classifications, we have secondary classifications that has 4 subdivisions. The first one is based upon instruments. We have chain, compass, plane table, theodolite, tachyometric and photographic surveying. And second one is based upon methods. We have triangulation and traverse surveying. Third one is based upon objects. We have geological surveying, mine surveying, archaeological and military surveying. And the last one is based upon the nature of fields. We have land surveying, marine surveying and astronomical surveying. And all these listed surveyings will be discussed detail in the later videos.
யாரா இந்த காலங்கட சமலம் கொண்டு வந்து வெச்சது? இவர்தான். இவருக்கு இதான் வேலை.